Hi friends, welcome to PH Reel Studio. Today I am going to give the complete reviews about Redmi Earbuds S. So let's see its unboxing, pros and cons associated with it. I bought this from Amazon site with a worth of 1799 rupees. I'll paste the link below, you can buy from there, or else I'll paste the link of a MI site, you can also buy from there. You can see here, this is the box of Redmi Earbuds S. It is only available in one color. If we open it, we can find a charging case. In that we can find earbuds, and also we have extra ear tips available in it in the sizes of large and small. If you want a medium, then the medium tips are available for the earbuds. This case quality isn't good. It is built up with a plastic, but they did justification for this price. And the earbuds are also made up of a plastic. The main advantage of these earbuds are they are in-ear type and you can use while running, jogging and exercises. You don't need to be panicked that they might get fall off. They are very lightweight, around 4.1 grams each. Here, if you see, we don't have any USB cable in this box. You can use the one which is available with you. Now, let's see how to pair the earbuds. You can pair them just by opening the buds from your charging case, and you also have to on Bluetooth option in your mobile. There you can see Redmi S Buds option. So you can connect directly from tapping there for Android mobiles, but for iOS mobiles you have to take only one of its earbud out to pair. Now let's see its features, pros and cons. Like remaining earbuds, it doesn't have a weight detection and no touch controls. You only have to click the button present there. For a phone call to attend, you have to single click the button to accept or reject. The same way applies to music also. If you want to pause the music or play the music. If you double click the button, you will be connected to the Google Assistant or Siri. These are the only functions available. And to the gaming mode to be on, if you triple press the button, you will be entering into the gaming mode. Its latency is 120 ms. There will be no delay in the audio. I've also tried playing PUBG with this. It's also working better even when the gaming mode isn't on. But it is better to on the gaming mode and to play if you want to play PUBG. Life, it comes around 3.5 hours. In case if you want to use it with the case, I've noticed its battery life is up to 10.5 to 11 hours. The complete time taken for charging of buds is up to 2 hours along with this case. Finally, this is the complete user review about MI Earbuds S. You can buy this for this price. It is better within the price of 1799 with these options. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to PH Reel Studio.